$6,100 US, diamond solitaire ring, shipping out to someone in Houston, and how this lady has managed to save at least 25% on a $6,100 purchase. Hello, I'm Hemant Thakur, your diamond expert from All Your Jewels, explaining you the whole process, the whole journey of how to save enough money and buy better quality. This lady from Houston had a requirement of a swirl kind of design of 1 carat diamond with G color, IF clarity, and she wanted a stone which is certified by GIA. So we started working on the request. We first and most important thing, we started working on selecting the right diamond. We based in the biggest wholesale market, which is Bharat Diamond Bourse in Mumbai, which supplies 9 out of 10 diamonds in the world. I started going around and started inspecting the right diamond under the right lighting condition with the help of right tools. Now I checked not only the diamond but also the report, what all details are there in the report, what all the parameters of the diamonds are correct or no, if there's anything wrong with the color of the diamond or no, and everything looked perfect about this particular diamond. I made an estimation and sent it to the lady to Houston along with the design quotation, and she approved the design. You can see the invoice is ready, shipping out for $6,100 today, and then she compared it with major retailers in America. Let me show you the comparison. Now one of the major retailers shows the same item. You can see 1 carat for $8,080, and the other retailer selling the same item for $7,200. Now if you compare that is a good saving of $1,900. Isn't that amazing? For a $6,200 purchase, if you can save around $1,900, I'm very happy to offer this kind of deal to consumers like you. Now, once she agreed to the estimation, she is now placed the order by making the payment, and the ring is ready. You can see we have made it the way she wanted. She wanted a swirl. She wanted the stone to sit, but not too shallow, but just like a tad, higher on the edge of the bezel setting. And you can see we have made it in 18 karat white gold, ring size 6, and it took us around 14 to 15 working days to make it, and in 2 working days it is going to reach her securely to Houston, right from Mumbai to Houston, saving a great deal without compromising on the quality. Isn't that everyone is looking for? So reach out to an expert like me. Let me guide you in detail, step by step, and offer you an amazing deal. You can reach me through my website or through my email ID. Everything is mentioned in the video, and I will guide you further. Thank you.